Coming up here right now. Where's Britney at?
Get off property now.
Where's Britney at?
Get off property now.
I'm good. I wouldn't put your hands on me, brother.
Call 911. He's on property.
He's on property. They know I'm here. Tell me.
You have to leave.
Hey, where's Britney at?
You have to leave.
Hey, tell me the truth. Where's Britney at?
You have to leave.
Britney! Britney gotta have a gun.
Go.
Hey, Britney. Hey, where's Britney at, bro? I'm Jason Alexander, first husband.
Oh,
I'm here to crash the wedding, bro. Fuck that. They're not... So here's the inside scoop, guys, of the bullshit wedding. Jason Alexander. What's up? You love roses? Who are you?
What's up, Michael?
Michael, that's Michael, guys. It's Jason. First husband, here to crash it. No, my name's Jason Alexander. Britney invited me here. Britney Spears invited me here. She's my first wife, my only wife. I'm her first husband. I'm here to crash the wedding because nobody's here but Sam. So where the fuck's the family and there's Cade right there. Cade!
Go over there.
Cade! Come here, Cade!
Go.